snowbank. A little bit windy and snowy today. It's IOP 20. Could be our last one. Don't know quite yet. But see how high these drifts are. Filling quickly. There's Dow 6. Scanning away. We're about to finish this IOP pretty soon. Little snowdrift just forms in the way. Just fell. Visibility is pretty bad, so you can't see depth with this type of lighting. Those are our snowmobiles up there. All our diesel lined up. That's how we get in. It's a little hatch. That's the entrance to Dow, the mudroom. There's an entrance to our cabin. These are some tunnels I made. On the first couple IOPs, I started carving blocks. I think I made about 550 blocks and made these walls and tunnels. It's a little dark. But yeah, that's our bathrooms. We keep our gas back there. Sometimes, but we ended up taking a lot of our gas out because our tunnel supports are starting to get crushed, as you can see. So our porta potties are starting to get accordioned and bowed and cracking. So we only come in here when we need to. And then we exit out of our tunnel. And then this is our cabin. This is where we stay. It's my little bed. Water. Kitchen. We have a radio that works sometimes. We got NPR on now. It's great, like Fashion Trump. So now we go over here, and I'm gonna go start shutting down the Dow. Extra parts, more gas, tools, propane, battery charger. There's Josh.
Hey.
Operating Dow 6. That's where we do our little work. Just look at the radars.
Yeah.
Here we are, 9 o'clock.